Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today shooting a 360 video. What that'll allow you to do is it'll allow you to scroll around the entire vessel with your finger or your mouse. You can zoom in, zoom out. You don't have to continue to look at me. You can look around this beautiful boat that we're on here today featuring. So what we are featuring today is a 24-foot 2018 Yamaha 242 Limited SE Series. Gorgeous, gorgeous boat. As you can see, it's been well maintained. It's only got 160 odd hours on her. And just going to take you around and then I'll talk a bit about what we got. Integrated swim platform here. Cup holders. This has got an upgraded JL audio subwoofer on her. Very comfortable seats back here. Just take you through. Nice walk through too, nice and easy. Lots of great storage under the seats. Two captain seats, which is very cool. At the helm, all the controls one would need. The E-Series. So it's in fantastic condition. The comes with an easy loader galvanized trailer included. The upgrades, as mentioned, was the audio subs, 800 watt amp, 8-inch Simrad, chart plotter, GPS. Bottom has been freshly painted for saltwater and boat is ready to go. All the maintenance on this boat has been done by a certified Yamaha dealer. It's currently moored here in Milltown in South Vancouver. Let's take you up to the bow. Again, lots of great seating here. It's a great looking boat. What else can we tell you? 24 foot at seating capacity is 12 persons. So folks, if you would like to view this beautiful Yamaha, please contact me at 688-6828. Or you can email me at brent@vancouveryachtsales.com or check out our website at www.vancouveryachtsales.com. This again is a 2018 242 Yamaha Limited SE Series. Thanks for watching.